Welcome to our testing module overview by Knowledge Advisors. Our learning measurement software improve the effectiveness and business outcomes of learning, you ask? Here are important features and benefits. 1. Best. Knowledge Advisors is a trusted source of thought leadership for evaluating the effectiveness of critical human capital initiatives. 2. Cloud computing. Matter, our flagship software utilizes a cloud-based architecture to enable easy implementation and integration with other enterprise systems. 3. Integrated intelligence. Matter integrates data from multiple enterprise systems with information collected through evaluations and assessments. Analysis rendered through automated dashboards, scorecards, and detailed customizable reports. 4. Formal and social learning measurement. Matter reaches beyond formal learning programs and learning management systems to measure learning effectiveness in informal and social learning environments. And 5. Benchmarking. Matter includes a benchmark database with over 750 million external data points and 100 standard reports. Their data can be sliced by industry, course type, job function, and more to compare your learning effectiveness against external averages. Storage, processing, and reporting system is what you need in order to accomplish your measurement goals in a user-friendly environment. We can store, process, and report your data in a timely manner, allowing you, the user, to access very visual, articulate, and concise reports. Our capabilities to take your most basic inputs from class attributes to evaluations, tests, and other business data and translate those into outputs in the form of concise and clear reports and dashboards. Today, we have 3 components of our testing module: data collection and reporting. The type of test functions in a similar way to both the learning evaluation and survey modules of Metrics That Matter. You have the ability to create standalone tests as well as ones you will tie to a learning course. The testing module is extremely flexible, which allows you to pull from a pool of questions like multiple choice, essay, fill in the blank, and even upload images. You can ask questions and answers, time your test, and permit retakes. The post-test feedback is very valuable to your respondents. If a respondent has passed the test, you may present them with a custom certificate which can be printed, emailed, or saved for future reference. The reporting suite both provides respondent and aggregate details, pre- and post-test results, and even item analysis for test validation purposes. We can with your LMS and provide a data passback of your test scores, AICC SCORM compliant. It's straightforward. Once the test is created, the learner will take the test, leave formal feedback. If passed, they may receive a certificate. Now at Metrics That Matter. User wizard for authoring tests functions very much like our survey module. The 4-step wizard keeps you on track and makes test create a swift process. SCORM settings. You can upload your own company logo for branding purposes. And key components of run tests are setting a passing score, randomizing your questions are answered, and determining whether the test will be timed or not. If it is, you want to make sure and complete each step in the process. Also, whether a person can retake a test or not. And then lastly, providing customized feedback for respondents. Processes around form content. Pages, categories, and individual questions. These can be either edited by question, answer, feedback positions, or you can even remove items all at once. The 3rd step is on the thank you page and determining whether you will use our certificate or not. All certificates can be managed in one-stop shopping. And establishing your particular test. You can either apply that to a series of classes or create a unique URL which can be disseminated out to your learners. Click Save Publish and you're ready to go. Now let's take a look at the reports. Our class level score summary. This reports student scores for all tests associated with that particular class. Excellent report for gathering student results for all associated tests for specific or multiple classes. Next is the summary report. The report displays correct and incorrect responses for each test questions, providing a means for assessing student knowledge gained from the training. This report summarizes the average test score, pass rate, and number of correct responses per question for the class so that student performance may be benchmarked against the class average. Next, post-test report. This is the questions, percent answers, percent of change from pre to post-test. A green represents a positive change, a red highlight negative change, or yellow there was no change. This is a comparison of test scores prior to and after training to determine if learning has occurred. There can be data at the course level for a specific test or by individual respondents. And our test analysis report. This report provides the ability to do statistical analysis for your test at the click of a button. Several items on this report are a difficulty index, an discrimination index, and even includes a distractor analysis with a percent of responses that shows a particular decoy or distractor in your test. At the bottom of every test report, you'll find report recommendations, which supplies you with information and ideas around interpreting your data. And now, memorize. The metrics testing module has easy authoring capabilities, allows you to create conditional questions, randomization, time tests, and even retakes. Has easy import and export functionality with your LMS. We have services available, and it's cost-effective. We greatly viewing this recording. Hope you have found it valuable and useful. Please contact us either by phone or email using the information on your screen. Thank you.